I can't sleep at night. I'm tired, I'm whining. The sun keeps on shining and it's alright. I guess I'll be alright. Oh, yeah, yeah. I guess I'll be alright. What are you doing Saturday night? I get to thinking I'll be alright when I dance all night. I gotta get away. I got a heart that's skipping beats, and if you see me out in the streets, I'll be doing alright. I'll be doing okay. I'm crazy, crying, feel like I am dying, restless, lying. Sky is blue, but all I see is gray. Yeah, yeah. What do you do today? Oh, knocks me right down to my core. He hears every single word I say and always loves me anyway. I'm holding out for a hero, holding out for a hero. It's as simple as complicated as a Sunday morning prayer. It's that little stuff, it's the endless trust you'll always be there. I've had my fill of the average Joe. Look around,